today we are going to see the airline reservation system with how it is connected to JDBC and SQL. So airline reservation system, it is a web-based airline reservation system project that attempts to stimulate the basic concept of airline reservation system that enables a customer to do the things such as search for the airline flights to travel cities on a specified dates, choose a flight based on the details, reservation of a flight and cancellation of the reservation. The system allows the airline passenger to search a flight that are available between the two travel cities, namely departure city and arrival city, for a particular departure and arrival date. The system displays all the flight details such as flight number, name, price, and duration, journey, etc. Architecture of Java, the Java programming language, the Java class file format, the Java application programming interface, the Java virtual machine. So Java Virtual Machine is the heart of Java's network orientation in a Java Virtual Machine, which supports all three prongs of Java's network-oriented architecture: platform independence, security, and network mobility. The Java Virtual Machine main job is to load class file and execute the bytecode that contain, as you can see in the program. Java Virtual Machine contains a class loader which loads class files from both the program and Java API. Only those class files from the Java API that are actually needed by the running program are loaded into the virtual machine. The bytecodes are executed in an execution engine. Code Coding standard. Java suggests set of code standard to follow while writing Java program. Coding standards help authors as well as others better understanding program. It reduces the amount of debugging time considerably. Basically, coding standards suggest how to name class, method, variables, and different scope, package, etc. So, now we are going to explain the models of airline reservation system. So now first we'll enter the login details. Login details consist of uh, result set and statement, username, password, string 1, string 2. That the username and password can store in string and string 1. So through HTTP servlet request and HTTP response, we use print writer. So it takes the input from the user with the username and password, and it store store it in a string. So that is user is equal to request get parameter of user and get parameter of a password. So finally, the request is stored in string and string 1. If the user is equals to the string, a logical and pass dot equals to the string 1, then we can send a redirect. That is, we can connect the JDBC to SQL to verify that the user login is valid or not invalid. The next modular is insert values. So the insert value in the sense it can store the number, first name, source, destination, uh, and the duration. So we give as F number, that is flight number, and flight name, source and destination, and duration. So flight number, example, which flight we are going, and flight name, source, like example from Delhi to Chennai. So Chennai is a source and destination is Delhi, and the duration, the time taken to travel from source to destination. The third modular is payment details. So however we have to pay through credit card or cash. this password and username. So the same as login, but it provides more security than login. So here the request.getString of user ID is stored in string and request of getString password is stored in string 1. Then comes modular 3 reservation details. Here we'll write which month we are traveling and a result set, that is flight number, date, week, time, uh, username, login ID. So first, which category again we are going, that is middle class, economic, for example, and which month we are traveling, and date, year. So first we have to connect to JDBC, ODBC driver. So here we'll execute query, select time of the flight from the flight details, flight number is equal to and day of the flight. In this model, the reservation and cancellation can be done. We have to verify whether um, the reservation is valid through the Aadhaar number, and also, if it is possible, passport number. So we will give here name, uh, which class we are going to travel, what is the rate, and finally we'll give submit.